Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a TikTok video with TikTok, full guide step by step clearly. To create a TikTok video, start by downloading the TikTok app from your app store. Open the app and sign up for an account, or log in if you already have one. Once you're on the home screen, tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen to start creating your video. You'll be taken to the camera view, where you can choose between different recording options. Select either 15s or 60s to determine the length of your video. To add effects or filters, tap on the effects icon located on the left side of the screen. Browse through the different categories and choose the effect you want to apply. Adjust your camera angle and make sure you have good lighting to enhance your video quality. If you're ready to start recording, press and hold the red record button. You can record multiple clips by releasing the button and pressing it again. To add music, tap on the sounds icon at the top of the screen. Search for specific songs or browse through trending sounds to find something that fits your video. Once you've selected a sound, it will play in the background while you record. After recording, you can trim your clips by tapping on the clips in the timeline. Adjust the timing to ensure everything flows smoothly. You can also add text by tapping the text option located on the right side of the screen. Type your message and customize it with different font styles and colors. Place the text where you want it to appear in the video. To further enhance your video, explore the stickers feature for emojis or GIFs. If you want to add voiceover, tap on the voiceover option after recording your video clips. Start speaking into the microphone, syncing your voice with the video. Once you are satisfied with your edits, tap the next button. Here, you can write a caption and include hashtags to increase your video's reach. Choose your privacy settings to decide who can view your video. Finally, tap post to share your TikTok with. Now, you've created and published your first TikTok video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.